Hi guys, welcome to Tech Crazy Indian Hackers. In this video, we are going to see about list of the President of India from 1947 to 2020. So let's start our video. Before going to know about the list of the presidents of India, so we are going to see a short information about presidents of India. The President of India is a nominal head of the country. The term of the president is 5 years. He is elected by the process called electoral college, and he can be removed by the parliament by the process called impeachment. But till now in India, no president is removed by the process of impeachment. The official residence of President of India is Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is in New Delhi. So let's see about the list of the presidents of India. The first president of India is Babu Rajendra Prasad, who served as the president of India from January 26, 1950 to May 13, 1962. He served as the president of India with the help of the party called Indian National Congress. The second president of India is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who served as the president of India from May 13, 1962 to May 13, 1967. He served as the president of India as independent candidate. The next president is Zakir Hussain, who is the first Muslim Indian president. He served as a president from May 13, 1967 to May 3, 1969. He served as a president as independent candidate. The next president is V.V. Giri, who served as a president from 3rd May 1969 to 20 July 1969. The next president is Muhammad Hidayatullah, who served as a president for little days from July 20, 1969 to August 24, 1969. The next V.V. Giri returned to the president post in August 24, 1969, and he served until August 24, 1974. The next president is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, who served as a president from August 24, 1974 to February 11, 1977 with the support of the party called Indian National Congress. The next president of India is B.D. Jati, who served from February 11, 1977 to July 25, 1977 with the support of a party called Indian National Congress. The next Prime Minister is Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, who is from the South Indian states. He served from July 25, 1977 to July 25, 1982 with the help of the Janata Party. The next president is Gyani Zail Singh, who served as a president from July 25, 1982 to July 25, 1983 with the help of the party called Indian National Congress. The next president is Muhammad Hidayatullah, who served here also. He served for the little days. From here also served within one day from July 25th to July 25th 1983. Only one day he served here. The next president is Gyani Zail Singh, again returned to the power in July 25th 1983. He served until 25th July 1984. The next president Muhammad Hidayatullah, here also served for the little days in July 25th to July 25th 1984. The next president Gyani Zail Singh returned to the power in July 25, 1984 and served until July 25, 1987 with the support of Indian National Congress. The next president is R. Venkataraman, who served from July 25, 1987 to July 25, 1992 with the help of the party called Indian National Congress. The next president is Shankar Dayal Sharma, who served as the Prime President from July 25, 1992 to July 25, 1997 with the help of the party called Indian National Congress. The next president is K.R. Narayan, who served as a president from 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. The next president is APJ Abdul Kalam, who is the greatest scientist of India. He served as a president from July 25th 2002 to July 25th 2007 with the help of he is an independent candidate. The next president is Pratibha Patil, who is the first woman president of India, who served as a president of India from July 25th 2007 to 2014 of July 25th. The next president is Pranab Mukherjee, who has lost his life in recent days He served as the President of India from 25th July 2012 to 25th July 2017 with the help of the party called the Indian National Congress. The present President of India is Ramnath Kovind, who served as the President of India from 2017 25th July. Till date, with the help of the party called Bharatiya Janata Party, still he is the current President of India. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and for the more updates, subscribe our Tech Crazy Indian and press the bell icon. Thank you.